I have this nice automatic tool changing spindle that was loaned to me by the good folks over at PWN CNC, so I could try it out with the Buildbotics CNC controller. While I was setting it up, I realized I actually need to know the length of the tools in order to make the tool changer work. I'm Doug Coughlin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a macro button with your Buildbotics CNC controller to measure the length of your tools. What I really want to know is the length of the tool that I want to measure. In this case, it's a 1/4 inch downcut end mill compared to the length of my reference tool, which is simply an ISO 20 tool holder with no tool in the chuck. So the length of the reference tool is going to be 0, and every other tool is going to be something longer than that. Start by jogging the spindle over a flat surface about 2 or 3 inches above that surface. Then click the T-Lin macro button and follow the prompts. Put the reference tool in the chuck. It says insert the tool and attach the probe. Make sure to hook up the ground on the probe. Then click Continue on the Buildbotics controller. Then insert the tool to be measured. Remove the old tool. And then click Continue. As you can see, the tool is 34.47 millimeters long. The links below will provide more detailed information on how to set this up. The G code for the T-Lin program can be found in my blog article titled Integrating the PWN CNC Automatic Tool Changing System with the Buildbotics Controller, and a link for setting up the macro buttons can be found in my blog article on implementing macro buttons. Also, don't forget to check out my video showing the Buildbotics controller and the PWN CNC automatic tool changer in action. Thanks for watching. Likes and shares are greatly appreciated.